Good afternoon, UA teachers. We are recording this video today to show you how you can add new students to your testing session. So in order for you to do that, you obviously need to go to Save Testing Session. You log in into NWEA, you go to Save Testing Session under my name and define the session that you need. For the purpose of this video, I just created a fake session right now. So I'm going to click on the session that I need and I'm going to ask to test now, as you do every day regularly. So you students starting to sign in and log in and started testing. You will realize that, or you know that one of your students, one of the new students, is not on your list. In order for you to add that students on your test, you need to go to Add Test. Add Student, sorry. Add Student. Once that page opens, you're going to write the last name of that student. Make sure that you have the correct spelling for that student, please. Click on Search, and here comes the students that I need. And I'm going to add that student to my roster. You can see that both students that I want in that session are in there. I'm going to save and return back to my session. So, meantime, all of my students are already testing the other ones. Now you realize that that student was added to your session. However, that student does not have a test assigned to them, and that is a problem. They're not going to know which test to assign. In order to assign a test for them, you need to go and click on Select that student, go on Assign Test, and then you need to really know what test are you giving them. So you look at another student that was already on your session. So that test that we need is a Growth Math 2.5 Michigan 2010. So you click on the drop down menu and you look for Growth Math 2.5 Michigan 2010 and you click on that test and you assign it. Just to double check, please make sure that you compare that student's test to another student test and make sure that both of them look the same. And please make sure you are testing your students as a growth test and not a screening test. Very important that you assign the test, the correct test, to your students. Once that is done, you can ask the students to sign in, log in, and then you can confirm them and that student can complete the test as any other students. Once you're done with your whole session, as usual, please remember to end session, save and exit. Thank you so much and have a great day.